What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a battery charger, you guys. This battery charger is for Insta360 Ace Pro and Ace Pro 2. The cool thing I like about this is that you should be able to charge up your Insta360 with this pack right here because it has a built-in battery. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and get into it. So I did review their battery pack before. Take the beautiful paper off. I know one thing, it's wrapped up pretty good. I don't know if this is how you take it off, but that's how we're taking it off. Come on. There we go. All right. Scan, follow, and win. They actually developed a battery pack that looks like the Insta360. That is cool and funny at the same time. All right, so when you actually ready to purchase this, it looks like you're purchasing a camera. There we go. It says USB-C, USB-A. Boom, right there. I hit this button right here. It says 78%. So this says push down, 2 empty batteries. It seems just like the camera. This is so cool. We're not done yet with our pack. So this side, oh, it says accessories. So it says accessories on that side. And then it says camera battery. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the camera batteries. All right. So it's just like the other batteries. Company name is right there. Strap for the battery pickup. You gotta love these, you guys. You got to love them. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in. That's battery 1, and then battery 2. Close. All right, it shows you the battery level. So there you go right there. And then that's the other side. So the batteries seem pretty low. So they definitely give us a nice carrying pouch. And then we have charger cable. We have 50,000 of these cables. I have so many. We have a drawer with just a bunch of these cables. 30-watt fast charge. Regular power banks don't have that big of a wattage, so that's good for this. And it's charging. Can I record at the same time? So yes, I can record at the same time. If you use the regular batteries in here, the regular batteries are 1,750 milliamps each. But this built-in has 12,800 milliamps. That is insanity. This is amazing. This is a game changer. If you have an Insta360 Ace Pro, this is definitely going to change your life. Other than that, 30-watt fast charge. If you need to charge anything else, you have the ability to charge other things, USB-A or USB Type-C. So that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.